How to sign up for DHgate affiliate program. So first is to search for DHgate associate account and then click the first link that will appear. So when you click this, it will direct you to this page in which you can click this button to sign up and create your account. You will be asked to enter your email and create a password. So once you've entered your email and password, check this box and then click Create My Account. And then you will be asked to complete this puzzle. After that, a verification code will be sent to your email. So just check your email and then input the verification code here. Once you've entered your verification code, you will see this page and then click Enter Workplace. Check this box and then click Activate Free. And now this prompt will appear in which it will be asking you how you will be promoting the DHgate affiliate program. So just fill in the blanks and once you're done, and then hit save. Once you've created your DHgate affiliate account, you can now start promoting their products by generating links and sharing it to your social media accounts. And so that is how you sign up for DHgate affiliate program. Thank you and have a great day.